welcome to my channel. First off, we're just gonna address my hair. I did not comb it today, so I just put it in a little ponytail, so we go ignore that the rest of this video. But today I just wanted to show you guys how I get my strips to look like individuals. And yeah, if y'all want to see that, just continue watching. Okay, so to start off, you're gonna need some lashes, and I'm using these. I honestly don't remember where they come from. So the ones I chose were these because it has like spaces in between them, so it's easier to cut and apply them. Like, you see those little gaps? It just makes it easier to cut them in a specific spot and place them under your eye. And yes, I am using hair glue as well. If y'all want, y'all can use eyelash glue, but I find that hair glue lasts longer for my lashes because I usually use them for my strips. So if y'all don't want to use that, just use a regular eyelash glue. You need some tweezers, some scissors, and a little plastic tray or anything to hold the glue in. So we're just gonna start by taking a lash, and like I said, with those little gaps, we're just gonna cut them into individual little pieces. Like everywhere there's a gap, you're basically gonna cut that off. And then you're gonna take your glue and pour a little bit into your little container that you have. And I'm gonna grab the lash like this because I'm applying it underneath, so it'll lay under my lash. And I'm just taking it and dipping the end of the lash into the glue so there's glue on the part that's gonna go on my lash. So just on the inside of the lash there's glue, and just to make sure there's no excess glue on the back, you're just gonna wipe the back off. So I basically just lift up my lashes and place this one as close as I can to my lash line. So the process doesn't change for the rest of them. You're going to continue to dip, wipe off the excess on the back, and lift up your lash. And apply it as close as possible. And I kind of leave a little gap in between mine because I like my lashes to be like spaced out. And you just want to be careful that you don't get glue in your eye by putting it too close. Try to keep a steady hand because if not, it will go in your eye. Just a fair warning. Whether you're using this glue or any kind of glue. And voila, this eye is completed. So y'all can see what it looks like from the top. And we're gonna do the exact same thing for the other eye. So again, we're gonna take that outer lash, dip it in the glue, wipe off the excess on the back, lift up your lash, place it as close as you can to that lash line. And after, you can just like adjust them around if you need to before the glue dries completely. So yeah, this is the final look of them. And they look more natural since it's not a whole band on the top of your eye and they're applied underneath. They look really natural. But I still like mine full, so it's natural but still, you know, cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and just leave some suggestions if y'all have any videos that y'all would like to see me do. Just let me know.